So how do I make my meeting room sound better? Well, one thing is to consider treating your room acoustically. We often overthink the technical aspects of a meeting room. We've got a great microphone, we've got some really good speakers, the room's laid out really well, but we forget to deal with the dynamics of what happens inside the space. Sound needs to be controlled, and the best way to control sound is by absorbing sound that you don't need. Insight Systems offer consulting services that help you choose the best acoustic treatment for your room, and we'll take care of everything from the conceptual design right through to the deployment.